What's weird about, like...
Gotta pry you out of there?
Yeah, kind of. What's weird about race seats like this, bucket seats, is when your ass doesn't fit, you sit in it long enough and your ass starts to mold, and then you like slowly slide down into the bucket. I'm not sure if it's like my bones like curling in, or if it's just the fat on my butt cheeks like slowly melting into shape.
It's a couple things. You should have opened up the sunroof. Your head would have stuck out.
No, that's a dangerous proposition on a piece of crap like this. You don't ever open the sunroof on a drift car. That shit's never going back together.
You want me to drive it next?
You don't know how to drive cars.
I don't.
Oh, man.
I wanted to learn how to drive cars though.
All right. You gotta follow that car.
Job well done. Oh, look at this factory fresh.
Okay,
Yeah.
it's a real car.
I don't need to sit in this. We can just push it, right?
I mean, I'm gonna push it and steer.
Steer.
Adjust your mirrors.
Dude, this looks good from the last time I've been in here.
Yeah. I own 3 RX8s and I've never driven a rotary.
Right.
So.
Speaking of which, we did get one person to say that they want the walkthrough on your RX8.
Who was it?
The Audi RX8. It doesn't matter who it was.
Who was it?
It doesn't matter who it was.
Who was it?
It may or may not have been my sister.
Your sister doesn't even know. Maybe that's why she wants to see it.
Yeah.
All right.
It's a good reason. All right, where's this going?
Where the blue car was?
Where the blue car was, okay.
I got like some Max Peating rods, coilovers I got for cheap.
Don't, Norman, don't.
Don't. They drive bad.
He wants to get some for his car.
Don't. Not worth your time. I got these for $60. That's the only reason I bought them.
Holy, wow.
Yeah. They're like so bouncy too. There's like, yeah. They're gonna ride terrible, but the car will look kind of cool.
It'll look cool. See, okay, but not for me. He wasn't cute on that. He wasn't cute on that. That
No,
is,
I literally do alignment and stuff.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Cheap coilovers is terrible. Push the TL back. I'll pull the S14 in, and then we'll push the white car in. And then depending on how you're feeling, we either run to Costco or get some chocolate chip cookies.
I thought we were getting glizzies.
Yeah.
You don't want glizzies anymore? You want?
If you call them glizzies, I never will.
That's what all the kids call them.
I'm not
Glizzies.
11 years old.
Okay, not done. We're pulling the white RX8 is going inside. Put you. Where do I put you? Burger to go.